Level up your open source game and master the art of editing forked repositories on GitHub. Alright, let's dive in first. Navigate to the GitHub repository you want to contribute to ensure you're logged into your GitHub account. Find the repository you want to fork. Look for the fork button. It's usually located in the top right corner of the repositories page. Click this button to create your own copy of the project in your GitHub account. After forking, you'll be redirected to your GitHub profile, where you'll see the forked repository. Notice the forked from indicator. This confirms your copy is linked to the original. Now for the exciting part, making changes. Click on the code button and then click the create branch button. Give the branch a descriptive name that reflects the changes you plan to make. Select a file you'd like to change by clicking the name. You can then start making your edits directly within the GitHub interface. You can add, delete, or modify code. Once you're satisfied with your changes, scroll down to the commit changes section. Write a clear and detailed commit message. This message explains what you change and why. Make sure to describe what you wrote. Now that you've made your changes and committed them, click the pull request button. This will initiate a pull request back to the original repository. Craft a descriptive title for your pull request, summarizing your changes. In the description, provide a detailed explanation of your changes, including the problem you solved or the features you added. This helps the project maintainers understand the context of your work. Submit after you describe. Once submitted, the project maintainers will review your pull requests. They may provide feedback or request further changes. Be prepared to address their comments and iterate until your contribution is ready to be merged. And that's a wrap. You are now ready to work within open source. Remember, contribute, collaborate, and keep coding.